be making a butterfly. This is very easy, so kids and beginners can also try this. So I have a rectangle piece of paper, but you do need a square piece of paper. So if you have one, you can use that. But I have this to show people how you can make this into a square paper and make a butterfly. Let's begin. Let's first fold this side all the way down into a straight line. Now that you have this, take your scissors and cut a straight line. Make sure you don't cut the actual square. Be very careful. If you're a young child, under 5, make sure you have an adult's help. You can use this extra piece or throw it in the trash. Now that you have this, so one side is folded, so now you can fold the other side. You don't have to fold that side again. Make sure it's all even. Now we'll be moving on to the next step. This is step 2. So this is also optional, so you can skip this if you like to the next step. So first, you fold this side all the way. Make sure it's even. Now make sure you have a straight line coming down the middle, vertically. Now we can switch the side and do the same thing on the other. Once your paper looks like this, you can turn it around or keep it the same way. I prefer doing it this way. So now we'll begin step 4. Step 4 is a little bit tricky, but it's still a little easy. So what you'll be doing is you'll be making this into a triangle, this front side. Then you will be taking this other side and putting it down to here. And then you fold it all the way down. Make sure it looks like a triangle and has 2 layers. So now we'll be doing step number 5. So what you do is you take the first layer and put it all the way down. But make sure it's not overlapping or else your paper will rip. Make sure this line is in line to here and then going down. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Now we'll be moving on to step number 6. This is a very, very easy step. So what you'll be doing, you'll flip it back and then you'll take this end and fold it all the way up. Make sure you don't fold it too high or else it might rip. Now that you have this part sticking out, you can fold it down the middle. And this part is optional. You can fold it like this or keep it straight if you're hanging it on a wall. Now we are finished our butterfly. But before that, we will be coloring. I'm going to be coloring a monarch butterfly. A monarch butterfly is very fascinating because it flies all the way from North America Canada, and United States, all the way down to Mexico. All the way down to Mexico for the winter. Now I'll be starting to color. For this butterfly, I will be using orange, yellow, and brown. But you can use any color you like. Oh, I also forgot. I'm also using black. Finally finished my butterfly. You can take inspiration from it or you can copy it off, but I really want you to use your imagination and make your own creative designs. Thank you for watching my video, but don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell down below. Bye bye!